surprise them. We're here with Mars.
Again.
We're going to say hi to the Germans. We're having a barbecue. They have lots of beers. So we're going to try and get some beer and food. This is it's like a proper German barbecue going on here. It looks really fun. Hallo, guten Abend.
Hello.
That's Hola no. Hello.
Wo ist der Ketchup?
Are we to talk English or German?
You talk whatever.
Merhaba Ahmet. DeutschLAN'dayız. Burası çok güzel.
What did he say, Mars?
I think that's not even German.
we got some German people doing the barbecue.
Oh, that's really nice.
Okay, you have names. They have them on their shirt.
We have names.
This is what's that? Constantine.
Constantine.
And this chap is. Oh, I got to get that.
Good.
Wait, is that upside? Eresten.
Esterson.
What is that? You can't even read that.
Son of the old
This
gods.
chap. He's an engineer. You got to trust him.
Yeah, actually, I'm non-ornament, but yeah.
He's a heavy. Are you Lion King? No, Simba.
Nope, neither.
Oh, I wanted to meet them. That duo.
No, I'm just a heavy.
Just a heavy. He's just a heavy.
Sandwich.
And hello. Are you playing TF2 as well?
Yeah,
Yeah. What is your nickname?
disambiguation. I'm Pyro.
She's a pyro main. Ah. Okay, forget it. Hate pyros. This looks like the person in charge of the barbecue.
Yeah, I'm
It's Prophet.
Doctor of Mediocrity Grill Master.
You're you know Kratos, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
he.
live near his house.
Yeah, you and Kratos like known each other for ages.
Yeah, and me and his brother went to the same school.
Oh, there's Lion King. Here, he's just trying to sneak by. How well do you know Simba, Lion King?
Not at all.
Not at all. That's too much of a coincidence. Your name. And there's some. These are more guys from. I'm just going to call you Stinson's team. It's Kolai.
Let's try this one.
The Doctors of Mediocrity.
There we go.
How long have you guys been together?
2 years.
Beiden? Die haben geheiratet.
That's pretty cool.
Where's your cool cape though?
My what?
Your cape.
Oh, that's Lux's poncho.
Yeah, your poncho.
Yeah, she's wearing it now. You gotta let them, like, feel they're important for a bit, you know. And
Tomato.
Domato. I'm terrible at pronunciations.
No.
There you go. And this chap is. Oh, Atsibom. Yeah, I met you yesterday. The King of Lobbies. I will be there. And I met you in the other house. It's Chime. But you don't play for these guys.
I'm just sitting here for the food and free beer.
Here for the food and beer. That's exactly why I'm here, actually. Speaking of which, barbecue. Simpson, say hi, bye to the blog.
Hi to the blog.
Then bye to the blog.
Wahrheit sagen, wenn jemand.
Goodbye to the blog.
Ich habe nämlich
Wow.
auch